Is your Buick Encore key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a lost connection with your car. First, replace the CR2032 battery. Use a plastic tool to gently pry open the fob to avoid damage. New batteries cost around $5 to $10 and last 2 to 4 years. If a battery change doesn't work, the fob may need to be relearned, especially after a dead battery or car battery replacement. To relearn, get in your car and turn to accessory mode. Follow the procedure in your owner's manual involving ignition cycling and button presses to resync the fob. This DIY fix is effective 70 to 80% of the time, according to user reports. For Encore's pre-2019, you may need to access the BCM via the OBD2 port or use GM's Tech 2 scanner to perform a relearn. If the battery is fresh and the fob is programmed, the problem might be the vehicle's antenna. The antenna receives the signal from your key fob, and if it's damaged, it can prevent the key fob from communicating properly. Symptoms include the fob only working at very close range. Inspect the antenna wiring for corrosion or damage. Clean the contacts. You can use a multimeter to test the continuity. Resistance should be below 1 ohm. If you're comfortable, you can attempt a replacement, but professional help may be needed. Buick 29 Plus models may offer over-the-air software updates to fix key fob issues, so check for available updates via the My Buick app. If all else fails, consult a professional, as a faulty key fob receiver may require replacement. Note that GM issued a recall for some models with faulty receivers, offering free repairs until December 2025.